Hello Internet, Mike Burling here, and I didn't actually plan on recording this today. I have another video that I intend to do, but I got something in the mail which I think is pretty awesome. It is a little model kit that I had backed on Kickstarter called Jurassic Tribe, and so I'm just sort of gonna, I just want to say, unbox these models that I got. You're not going to see the envelopes, so I'm not going to cross out my address, but it was shipped DHL to me. It's awesome. Left in my mailbox, which was not as awesome, but okay. A little note from the creator. But let's get into the models, because this is exciting. This little case container, by the way, pretty awesome. Gotten models in the mail that have come basically in cardboard boxes, wrapped up with a little bit of bubble, and frankly, I'm amazed that they survived. So, first, pull out some of these things. You got some bases. Oh, detail's not too bad on them. Look at these. It's just a log. I looked at this briefly, but I didn't really open it yet. Just a little plate with some, looks like rock on it, maybe. Rocks, like that. This will be fun to paint. This is one of their rewards that you can get for backing. Another just pretty basic ground one. And now for the 3 Utahraptors. Oh, look, they're Utahraptors, so they're going to be larger. They are not Jurassic Park Velociraptors. Cute little models. So you can see them. All right. Just to show it to you. Jurassic Tribe. In the back of this massive card is a sort of how to apply it to D&D. So, I would say have the clever girl. Yeah, cool. A little bit of just example of modeling it. Which one should go on top of the tree? That's it. This awesome little model, and I'm glad that I supported them, and I'm always happy to support creators, especially when it comes to dinosaurs. So thanks for watching this short little video. I hope you have a great day.